Good morning. This is Kelly.Broaddus from Kelly.Broaddus Real Estate Advisors, brokered by eXp Realty. Today I wanted to talk about homeowners insurance. You need to pick the insurance company that you're going to use as a buyer very strategically. If you want to use an insurance company that is good for the long term, is good for, say, a disaster, a tornado or, something catastrophic, then you want to choose one kind of insurance. And if you want an insurance company that's going to pay claims well in the meantime, if you're not planning on keeping your house for generations or decades, which most people don't, then you want to choose a different type of insurance. Let me kind of explain why. So when you're going to sell your house, if your roof is on the older side, and let's say there's been over the past few years quite a bit of hail damage, or quite a bit of hail and wind, but you never had any leaks, so you didn't have your roof checked. When it comes down to selling your home, there's a chance that you can have your insurance, you can have an adjuster come out and look at it, because through the inspection period, the buyer is most likely going to notice the roof and they're going to call it out if there's a lot of damage, and you may not even be aware of it, and the roof may not even be that old. But in Flagstaff, anyway, we get lots of hail, we get lots of wind. So sometimes there's things that happen and you're not even aware of it. So choosing an insurance company can be very costly, can end up being very costly, the one that you choose. So no offense to any insurance companies. I think they're all wonderful, but I'm just going to say which one is better for the long term, and most of the others are better for the short term. So, and I've had these experiences over and over again. We get roofs bought by the insurance company 3, 4, 5, 6 times a year. So it happens quite a bit, and I can get you in touch with the roofer that I use, and you can chat with him about what the best insurance company would be to use if you are not planning on living in your house for decades and you want to know if there's damage on my roof, who is the best insurance company to use to get it paid. And the important thing to know is that wind damage and hail damage is actually an act of God, and it's not counted against you. So your premiums don't typically rise because of those kind of issues. It's not like you had an accident in the house and it was your fault and you have to get something fixed and your insurance goes up. It's not like that. So anyway, I have an excellent roofer that I use. I'm happy to give you his information if you want to give me a call, and I can pass that on to you. But for long-term care, for catastrophic situations, State Farm is hands down the best. They don't do so good in the short term, though. So we don't even try to get a roof purchased by State Farm when at that point in a sale, because we know that they're not going to do it. So most of the other ones are very good. Some are better than others. But if you would like to know who is the best insurance to use, give me a call, 928-606-6749, and I'm happy to pass on my roofer's information and you can discuss that with him. So very good information, very expensive information. So call me anytime. I'm happy to help. We like to provide useful tips now and then. So this is by far a huge useful tip. So, okay. Have a wonderful day. Again, this is Kelly.Broaddus, Kelly.Broaddus Real Estate Advisors, brokered by eXp. Number 928-606-6749. Call me, text me anytime, and my website, northernarizonafinehomes.com. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.